For those of you that doesn't have time to learn investing, don't have time to go through all the hurdles of learning how to be a successful investor, I will recommend something very, very simple for you. You have to set aside a percentage of your income or your earning and invest it in a mutual fund. So for those people that don't have the knowledge, so mutual fund is basically a pool of funds that's been run by professional investors, that's invested in different classes of assets like stock and bonds. So you don't have that knowledge to pick single stocks on your own to invest. So you put your money in mutual fund. One thing with a mutual fund is that mutual fund does not have a fixed interest, so it has a daily rate which is tied to the performance of the market. So on a daily basis, so you get your interest rate on mutual fund. So that is the kind of investment I call it a strategic investing. So it's a structural investing that is being designed for an average investor out there that doesn't want to take risks and doesn't understand what the market is all about. So the dealer will create an account for you where it's like a bank account, so where you monitor it yourself, so you see your daily earning. So if the rate is 15%, so that is what you get. The rate is for 20%, that's what you get. So that you put your money in a mutual fund or you invest in index fund. Index fund also the Dow 30 or S&P 500 can put your money, and as the market does well, your return will be enormous too. Then also, if you are not participating in index fund, you can also maybe put your money in ETFs, exchange traded funds. So there are different type of ETFs in the market. So for average investors out there that doesn't want to learn investment, so you can just put a certain percentage of your earning and invest in an index fund, and over a long period of time you're going to do very, very well. So it's better than your money lying down in your bank idle, and banks are trading using your trade and living with little peanuts. So our advice is to take your money out and let your money work for you as hard as you work for your money.